everyone and welcome to this brand new episode at Rescoli by Carlo. What are we doing today? Today we're going to show you how to apply three types of different image transfers. Basically we have this one which I bought online. It doesn't have any particular name on it. But we'll show you how this can be applied on furniture. Then we have the Cadence, which is this one basically. We'll be showing you as well how to apply this. And also we have the redesign with Prima. These three image transfers have different application methods. So basically we're going to show you how to do this process with any one of them. And here we have prepared this box. Basically it was a wooden box. It is also a kind of jewel box, but in the shape of a book. So what did we prepare here? We gave two coats of After Midnight from the French Chic Furniture Paint Alfresco range. Then we went through with some gorgeous gold, French sheen as well. So we used where the pages should be this way. We did the trim over here, and we did also the side of the book with the French sheen. Then on the inside we did the side in After Midnight as well, but the inside here of the box we painted with Nougat from the Laser range of French Chic Furniture Paint as well, and just a little bit of trim, gold trim at the edges over here. And we're going to show you basically how to apply different image transfers on furniture. This you have asked a lot on our social media, and we're doing it for you so that you can understand all the process. We prepared as well. So we cut this piece from this one to be fit in the book. Then we have this from Cadence. We just cut and trimmed where we needed. And this, you can't see it well because it's printed in white. It is from the redesign with Prima. Let's start the process. To apply a Cadence image transfer, you have to first remove this plastic cover over here. You need a bowl with some water. Then you have to fit in the image where you want it to go, like this. With a sponge filled with water, you start wetting the image transfer here. You will know that it's practically ready when the image starts showing, like here, underneath the white paper. This way we are removing the image from its paper from here. And then gradually we start off by peeling off the white paper. Then with a dry sponge we just go like this to make it fit. And remove the excess edges that you might have had fit in. And here we have the first image transfer ready. And this is from Cadence. To apply the redesign by Prima, you have to make sure that the surface is completely dry and clean, and this is the opposite way of the Cadence. So here we remove the white paper. We have the image transfer on the plastic side, like this. And we're going to apply over here. Now, first you have to rub a bit so that the image stays put. And then with a stick that is accompanied with the package you receive when you buy the redesign with Prima image transfers, you just go and rub like this. At this stage you start removing the plastic you have, but this takes a little bit longer because you have to go bit by bit, because not all the image transfer might have been removed, so you have to go slowly and remove accordingly. Go slowly to on the image so that you push down the image transfer that's been just uncovered from under the plastic. So here we have two different image transfers, one from Cadence and one from Redesign by Prima. Now, the last image transfer we have is this one. To apply this, you need some tepid water in a sink or a tap or a big bowl, because the image has to be removed from the cover with a bit of hot water. So follow me so that you can see what happens in here. that the image has been removed from the white plastic over here, we start applying it to its place. Basically, we use the white background and then we start removing the paper underneath slowly, so that the image can be put in its place. Once done, we start going around to remove the bubbles underneath, because obviously that's the image is wet. And with this one, it is completely depending on the effort you make to make sure that the image is properly put in place. And here we have the image ready in its place. What's the next phase? Basically, the next phase is to seal everything. And to seal everything, we use the finishing coat from the French furniture paint, which we find is ideal because it is very light and also doesn't yellow the white colors underneath. So it is a very good protective product, which is also eco-friendly, to make our work outstanding. So next stage, finishing coat. Now that we have everything dry, clean, and nicely put, we can finish off with our favorite product, which is the French chic furniture paint browning wax. And we just go over here over here here. Why am I doing this? Basically, I want the look a little bit old style, so I'm just applying this browning wax on the edges and on the sides to create a little bit more of an old look. If you wish, you can also apply some browning wax on the image transfer as well to give it an older look. This way the image transfer I have used with Redesigned by Prima will look a little bit more old instead of that white image we had. And once done, we just clean a bit the browning wax where we did it, basically. And on the top. And from today's tutorial, here is our finished product. We used 3 different types of image transfer. We have shown you how to apply each one of them, because every one of them has different methods to apply. And this is our finished product for today, which is a box where we used the inside and outside, obviously, and we have this collage of image transfers for you to practice, to understand how the process goes, and finally enjoy your works, your creative endeavors. So if you want to show us what you did with your image transfers, please feel free to send us your images on our all social media. We have Facebook, we have Instagram, we have TikTok, and we have YouTube. And if you want to basically ask any other questions, feel free to tell us, to ask us underneath this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also share our videos. Thank you very much. See you next time. Ta-ta.